Let's start with part of the power abuse scandal that's playing out thousands of kilometers away in Denmark. The Danish High Court has rejected Chung Yoo-ra's appeal against the extension of her detention in the country. Chung, who was arrested on Sunday on charges of illegal stay, is the daughter of the woman at the heart of the scandal, Choi Soon-sil. Choi is a close friend of President Park Geun-hye and is accused of using her friendship for her own personal gain. The High Court said Tuesday that the district court's decision to extend the detention period for the 20-year-old was legitimate and reasonable, adding that it will stick with its decision to extend her confinement. Earlier in the day, Chung's lawyer submitted an appeal against the court's decision. Prosecutors in Denmark have until January 30th to keep Chung in the country for questioning.